Alright, so I got some more work for me. What's in the cooler? That's a good question. Let's take a look. We got another engine. This is a 1978 Z50 engine. So I'm gonna get this kind of broken down. Goal for this video is just to get the head off, pull the jug, and I need to get the head down to the machine shop for new valve seats being cut. So we'll get this started. Alright, love my little simple engine blocks. These help me put together motors and take them apart. Kind of hold the motor in any position. Use it today to, let's get the jug off and the cylinder head. We'll start with getting these acorn nuts off. 10mm nuts. I'm not going to keep any of the hardware. This is a engine restore, so all this stuff can go in a box. A little more stuck than the others. See if I can't budge this loose. Use this opportunity to loosen up these caps here. Hopefully I can do that. One's on there pretty good, actually. I'm gonna go get a 17mm socket. Let's try the impact driver. This cap's on there pretty good. So here's our cam, rocker arms. Your valve springs are inside of here. This is where you make your adjustments for your valves. Cam sprocket, M9 bolts. That's why I got the head on there. I'm just going to break these nuts loose here. Just getting this head prepped, getting all the valve train out of it, so that I can bring it over to the machine shop. I'll make another video of pulling apart the bottom end here, but for today we'll just get the head off and jug and piston loose, nice and free inside. So these are valves. It's a clean head inside. It's had oil in it. At least it wasn't sitting out with the weather, getting a bunch of water, seizing the piston. Makes my life easier. It's a jug roller for the cam chain in here. I'll get that out when I turn the head down here. And then this is the last bolt holding the jug on. This is going to go into a 1978 Z50 I'm building for a customer, but it's kind of a themed bike. He's picking all the colors, and it's not going to be a stock original build, but we're going to do a standard bore refresh on this. I'm going to go get a rubber mallet and give this jug a few taps, see if I can't break it loose. Core's actually pretty nice in here. It's got some scoring. It's got a little bit of scoring in there. Not too bad, but scoring isn't good. Alright, and we have some on the thrust sides of the piston here. We got some wear. Rings are still moving. You know, sometimes you'll have rings that bind and get stiff and aren't compliant anymore. It's an original art piston. So let's see if I can't. So I'm gonna leave that short block as it is for now. We'll do another video series on breaking that down, but I'll show how I'm gonna take apart the head.